Hello everyone, welcome to HL form filling video for design trainee and management trainee post 2022. So now we will see how you can fill the form. Okay, just watch this video carefully because this form is very much important. As you know, salary is 15 lakh CTC. Okay, form last date is 22nd of March and now we will start. But before that, you will see what are documents are required. So here you can see SSC 12 diploma bachelor mark sheet. Okay, it will be required to you to fill educational details. Then your recent photo and then your signature. For SC/ST candidates, you will require your certificate, okay, caste certificate. Now when you will click on the link which I am giving you in the comment section, you will get this screen. Okay, so on this screen now, as I uploaded a notification video, so just watch that video first carefully, then you will get to know that for which post you are eligible. Okay, so you can apply to only one post, that's why they also here mention apply to only one post. So I will select here management trainee suppose. Then you need to enter here your email address and again you need to re-enter your email address. Okay, then here you have to select your Mr. Mrs. and Miss, so it depends on you. Okay, like this. Then you will select your gender. Most of the candidates also make mistake here while selecting gender. Okay, male female, so you can center. Then date of birth, please carefully fill this data. As you can see here, the calculator is there. Okay, so suppose I fill this data like this, then automatically it will calculate your age limit, and age limit is 28 year for general. For OBC and SST relaxation is there. Okay, then you will enter your mother name, and this mother name is as per your SSC mark sheet. Then you will enter discipline, so you can see for management trainee, computer science, electrical, electronics, mechanical, production, they can apply. Okay, under electronics, instrumentation, public can apply electronics and instrumentation, electrical, triple E, double E. Okay, IT people apply under computer science branch. For mechanical also there are things. Okay, you can see in notification. Then branch of engineering, so suppose I select computer science, then you will select here which branch. So you can see IT people, then other branches like software engineering, they can apply under this. Okay, for electrical, if we see electrical, triple E, electrical instrumentation, then electronics, electronics, telecommunication, communication, instrumentation. Okay, the sub branches you can see here, mechanical, industrial and production. Then for production you can see here. Okay, this data is there. So likewise you can see, so I am selecting electronics and here telecom. Okay, and here next is your category. So just select your category carefully. Okay, then suppose I am selecting UR or SC. Then nationality. Okay, so Indian and non-Indian you can select. Obviously all are Indian, so just select Indian there. Here you will select, if you are from PWD, then select yes. Okay, whenever you will click on yes, you can select your disability and percentage of disability. Okay, if you are not from PWD, then just click on no. Are you an internal candidate? So if internal candidate, then click on yes, otherwise no. Okay, like this. Then domicile of JNK, then yes, otherwise no. Okay, ex-serviceman, other yes, otherwise no. If you select yes, then you need to enter rank, last rank, date of enrollment, date of discharge, every detail you have to fill. Okay. Now, are you serving officer in armed forces? So if, then yes, and you to again enter your rank and date of enrollment. If no, then click on simply no. Right. Now passport size color photo is required, so just choose file and you can upload your passport size color photograph. Okay. After uploading, you can see here your file name. Just click on submit details. It will notify you again that please check your form again. Okay, so you can click on this cancel and you can again recheck the form. You're sure, then again click on this and click on OK. Okay, so this screen will get open. Now here you will see your application number, your name, date of birth and email address. Okay, and your photograph is visible here. So here you will enter your father's name. This is also as per your SSC certificate only. Okay, don't forget this, and again check your spelling of your name, father name and mother name, very important. Okay, lots of candidates reject in DV because of spelling mistake. Then here you can select your marital status. Okay, like this. If you are married, then you have to enter your wife name or husband name. If you are single, then click on single. Okay, now here you will enter your permanent address completely with pin code. Okay, your city, your state, then your landline number if you have, otherwise directly enter your mobile number. If this address, that is permanent address, is same as your address correspondence, then click on this checkbox. Okay, so all this data will come here. Okay, similar. Nearest railway station you can enter here, just enter your city railway station. Then state of domicile, from which state you are domicile, so that you need to enter. Okay, then your religion you need to enter. Then again other all the details are just reflected here. Okay, now we will see your educational details, so that you will enter matriculation and 10th and 12th. Okay, that you will enter. Those who are from diploma, just enter your this details, and then after that no need to enter this because obviously you are from diploma. Directly start with your degree details. Okay, here you can see your qualification BSc plus BTech, then your BE BTech, diploma plus BE. Those who are from diploma plus BE or diploma, just select this, and those who are from after 12th, just select BE BTech. Okay, like this. Then duration of the course, so 3 year, 4 year, 5 year. Okay, then mode of study, so full time is required only, so just you should have full time degree or full time diploma. Then name of the institution, your college name, then your university name, and percentage of marks score. As you know, 65% aggregate is compulsory for all the branches except aeronautical. Okay, then do you have CGPA score? If yes, then you need to click here. Okay, so after that you can see they are asking you max CGPA, so just enter your CGPA obtained, just enter, and your equivalent percentage. Okay, so you can enter like this. Then you will enter all the details regarding your semester exam. So first and second semester they want your maximum CGPA, CGPA obtained. Okay, every detail they want semester wise. So all those things just enter here, and if you have percentage, then just click on no. If you click on no, then you will need to enter your percentage, max mark, max obtained percentage. Okay, so it is both are the different thing, and this time it is very good. So just if you are from CGPA or percentage, you can fill the form like this. Year of passing, you need to select your year of passing. Okay, now here those who are from final year, what you will do you have post graduate certificate? They will just select no, otherwise you can select yes, and all the details you can need to fill again of your post graduation, that is MBA, ME, MTech, MS, PG, other. Okay, so what same similar thing like degree you have here, you have to enter again. Then if you have any experience, so you click on yes, or otherwise no. Okay, so if you click on yes, definitely you have to enter your experience. Definitely they will ask, okay, interview questions based on this only. Okay, so just carefully fill this data, because whatever data you fill here, they will ask you the same question in your interview, which is important. Okay, so just think about this and then only fill this data. If you don't want to show your experience, if you think it is irrelevant for HL, then just select no button. Okay, it's up to you. Just carefully here. Now, prefer test location. The most important, what is your exam center? So you can see here, all the cities are there. Okay, so one city, one center is there. So you can see all the data regarding cities. So suppose I select here. Okay, then a second preference you can give. So again, same preference we can't give. Again, here it is a filter and like this. So three preferences you can give, and in which language you want to give your exam, English or Hindi. So just select that. Okay, English. If English, then Hindi. Like this, you will fill carefully all the data. Okay, so just click on this checkbox and then you can click on submit details. And you can recheck your data, and again you can click on confirm and continue. Okay. So after this, you will get this screen where you can see your application number, name, post applied, email address, and date of birth. Okay. Now just click on whether you want to pay through Challan or enter your online details. Just you can see here. Okay. So you need to do Challan for this. For payment, online mode is not applicable for this. So you can refer 5.2 point in the notification. They given their bank account number. Okay. So just go to the bank, and in the previous screen, as you saw that Challan option. Okay. So just select that Challan option, then you will get Challan. Just print out that Challan, go to your bank, State Bank of India, and deposit 500 rupees in HAL account. Okay. And then whatever details you will get, that is your receipt number, you will just enter here. Amount paid is 500. Okay. Month and day, at which month and days you fill the details or fill the pay. Then SBI general number. Okay, like this, all the details you will, and you will upload your Challan copy. Okay, that you will get from your bank. So this is the full process of your HL recruitment. So now it is evening, so tomorrow morning you can go to your bank and you can do Challan. Actually online payment should be there, but I don't know why they didn't allow that this time. It's okay, just go to the bank and do Challan. Okay, now if you have any query, doubt, then definitely you can comment down below. All the best.